Hey guys, welcome to the second video of 3D Printer Nerds. Well, second edited video. The first one was TJ's. This is Computer Mayhem.
What the heck?
Hey, look, this isn't Computer Mayhem, right? Hey guys, so that was weird. Really weird. So this is the penguin, as you saw before. I'm gonna show some pictures to show you like all the little marks and everything, because TJ didn't make it. He made it 4.4 millimeters a second because he thought that I wanted it the next day, but I didn't. So he messed up, and now he won't make me another one. Yeah. So, pictures. So this is going to be building up like this for the time lapse. After you saw those pictures, you're gonna see how it was made. Time lapse is going to go like this. There's going to be this big stupid block, and all these names are people who made it. So don't get really confused with those like I did. It's going to build up like that, so that's what you're going to see. Time lapse time starts in 3, 2, 1. For watching, like, subscribe, comment, subscribe to both of our channels, Computer Mayhem and TW's TJ. Like I said, like, subscribe, comment. Remember this. Oops. Goodbye.